Hey guys, I'm outside the house here of Evan Hodek, and this kid has an incredible story. He really shouldn't actually be here today. So let's go. So Evan, tell us kind of a little recap what happened to you.
So I was out riding on my motorcycle. It was a nice first warm day of the year. So I took it out for a quick little cruise, went over to my grandma's for a quick little dinner. And then after that, when I was just heading down the road, a lady had pulled her truck out in front of me, and I just didn't have time to get out of the way, so.
What was the extent of your injuries that you received from this accident?
So I broke both of the bones in my forearm.
Wow.
They have metal plates in there now to keep them together. What else? So my right thumb got dislocated. That's not much of a serious one, but that happened.
Yeah.
I had 5 fractures on my skull, so that gave me a TBI. And then my ribs broke, which punctured my lungs. I had 4 fractures on my pelvic area.
Yeah.
So they had to put a big screw in the right side of my leg. And that's about all that I could tell you.
And especially coming from the medical field, like traumatic brain injuries, you don't know what the patient's gonna be like when they wake up, if they wake up. You're here for a reason. And I think that's so cool. What would you say was like your big drive, like your number one thing that got you like up every day and you're like, I'm gonna get through this?
I mean, to me, it was just more or less having damaged my body and just wanting to get back to normal and back to my normal life. So that's really what pushed me the most. I mean, also having family come by too. That was a big help for sure.
I know hundreds of people were praying for you all over. And it's incredible because this is like your second chance of life. And I think that's an amazing thing because I know there's so many people wish they could and couldn't, or they're in a place right now where they're begging for like a second chance at life. And this might be a hard question to ask and something you're still trying to work through, but what do you want to do? Like what is some major thing that you really want to do, this go around, so to say?
I mean, my biggest goal is obviously to get back to work.
Yeah.
My second goal, it's kind of a bad one, but it's just to be able to hop back on a motorcycle.
Okay.
Yeah.
I won't judge.
Get on my dirt bike, whatever.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much just for taking the time today. The strength to physically and mentally go through what you did is you're Superman.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Loved having you. Thank you.